Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to file your W-2 on TurboTax. First, ensure you have your official W-2 form ready, as it contains all the necessary information. Next, log into your TurboTax account. If you are a new user, you will need to create an account first. Once logged in, locate the Wages and Income section, which is typically found on the main dashboard or navigation menu. This is where you will begin the process of entering your income details. Now let's enter your W-2 details. TurboTax offers two convenient options. You can either import your W-2 directly from your employer if supported, or manually enter the information. If you choose manual entry, start by carefully inputting the 9-digit employer identification number, or EIN, found in box B. Then, proceed to enter your total wages, tips, and other compensation from box 1, followed by the federal income tax withheld from box 2. Double-check these numbers for accuracy. After entering your W-2 information, it is crucial to review everything thoroughly. Take a moment to compare every single number and detail in TurboTax with your physical W-2 form. Pay close attention to your wages, federal income tax withheld, and any state or local tax information. Even a small error, like a misplaced decimal point or an incorrect digit, can significantly impact your tax return. This careful review helps ensure accuracy and prevents potential issues later on. Once your W-2 information is accurate, proceed to complete any other relevant sections of your tax return, such as deductions or credits. After finishing all sections, perform a final comprehensive review of your entire return. TurboTax provides a summary for this purpose. When you are confident everything is correct, select your preferred filing method: electronic filing or e-file for a faster process, or printing and mailing your return. Finally, submit your return to the IRS.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.